For a mid-size crane, we're saving up to 1,500 liters of waste oil in the first 5 years.
How much? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, hi.
Talk to me about lubrication.
We invented or developed together with brand Shell our own PALFINGER Lubricants, really designed for our machines.
You have your own lubricants?
We have our own lubricants. They're really designed to fit our machines.
Okay.
And we have them available in 3 different grades.
Yes.
Biodegradable oil, which is very important right now.
Yes.
For operating in sensitive areas.
Yes.
Yeah, very important. Then we have a premium hydraulic oil available.
Yes.
But also an extreme oil for Arctic temperatures for a very, very cold environment.
I've had to grease cranes myself. I've had to grease buckets. You use grease, which is rubbish. You pump it into a bearing. When it gets hot, the whole thing comes out of it, and it doesn't work. So that it's not grease is not grease.
Definitely not.
There is certain lubrication which is better for your machine and it means that when you go back to it, you can see that there's still grease in it. The grease hasn't disintegrated and disappeared.
You're completely right telling me grease is not grease.
It's not.
There's a big difference.
I've learned that the hard
and that's
way.
why we are taking some of those elements out of the grease. We are knowing very well that this is the grease we want to have in all our machines.
Okay.
This is the grease we want our customers to use because we know this prevents a lot of damage. We know this works.
Fantastic. And you have the hydraulic oil for the different applications.
Exactly.
And your forgive me, I haven't had all your cranes. Do all your cranes have the same grade of hydraulic oil, or is it different based on the country, what they're in and the application they're doing?
It's depending on the country of operation, of course, of the main temperature they have. The good thing is, we do not only use our own lubrication to operate the crane, we are also saving huge amounts of waste oil.
Okay.
Because we are skipping the mandatory yearly oil change, the oil service, and replace it by, I call it oil maintenance.
Okay.
We're doing some samples, looking at the oil, analyze it, and then tell you what we need to do. Just maybe filtration or nothing, or replace the oil, because we really trust in this product.
So you're saying rather than just looking at a clock and be like, right, it's 1 year, I'm going to change the oil and wasting the oil. You'll change the oil when it's needed.
Exactly.
And you'll charge me or the client when it's needed, correct?
We don't even charge you when it's needed if you have a contract.
Okay, yeah,
It's even better one.
That's a good point. Okay, fantastic. Well, that's great.
It means for us, for a mid-size crane, we're saving up to 1,500 liters of waste oil in the first 5 years.
Wow, how much oil? One per?
1,500 liters
Yes.
of waste oil in the first 5 years of the service life of the crane, yeah.
Wow.
And if you calculate 1 liter oil by maybe €5,
Yes.
that's a huge difference.
Yes. Plus we're maintaining the crane, plus the longevity of the crane, plus the crane will last longer, plus...
In our opinion, sustainability is very, very important. And this is why we're doing this. And I said, it's good business for you because it saves you a hell of money.
Yeah, good business. The prevention is better than cure, right?
Exactly.
Thank you so much, man.
You're welcome.
All makes sense now. Thank you.